All right, back with another sprint booster. This is green mode, level 7, 0 to 60. Now, as far as once you're above like 30, 40 miles an hour, I feel like it's not really doing nothing. I might be wrong. It probably gives you better throttle response even when you're going fast. But it just really helps off the jump, in my opinion. But it probably does give you better throttle response even throughout. I'm sure it does, but it's designed, should I say, to give you better acceleration off the line. So that's the green mode level 7, 0 to 60.